Rest in peace, Bat City Designs. Now why would I say that? Because I'm rebranding!
Just go crazy for a little while. Wow! Looking good! You're looking good!
Welcome, Squirrel City Designs. Just kidding. Although there are a lot of squirrels here. Aren't they everywhere though? But welcome, Kelly Concepts. And this one is for real. I originally picked Bat City Designs on the fly when I originally started this as a dropshipping company on Instagram, where I made maybe $2 an hour if I was lucky, on a good day. But I never really loved it, and I no longer live in Austin, Texas. This has evolved into something amazing and unexpected, let me tell you. And by the way, two things. First, please consider smashing that subscribe button. I'll love you for it, YouTube will love me for it, and it's a free way for you to show your support on my channel. Second, I have a huge announcement after this announcement, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Now, all of this really just started ramping up a couple of months ago. I went from making $2 a day from Amazon affiliate links in all of 2019 to now making over $30 a day in total YouTube revenue since being monetized with the combination of ad revenue and Amazon affiliate money. And just the other day, I had a guy comment on my stock tank pull video thanking me from the bottom of his heart and how happy him and his wife are now that they can have a stock tank pull. So that really hit me. I provided value and knowledge and happiness to some stranger, and I'm really hopeful that there are more like that out there. So I am more excited and more motivated than ever to build amazing, valuable content for you guys. Thank you everyone who has helped with this. And now for the other big update. So I got my real estate license a couple of months ago.
I got you!
And left my marketing job. This is a major step forward to me, even in today's climate. And if you're looking to buy or sell a house, just reach out to me with any questions you have. I'll be there to answer them. I can also find you an expert agent in your area if you don't live near me. Just send me an email to the email in the description below. And with the realtor news, I am launching a second YouTube channel linked somewhere up here. Please consider subscribing there to help me launch. So that channel will be focused on real estate, from financing, investing, walkthroughs, and really just everything real estate. There will be so much knowledge there. So the reason I'm doing this is because most of my videos here on this channel top eventually 1,000 views at a minimum, but my real estate videos just really aren't syncing with the rest of this channel and are lucky to hit over 100 views. So it's time to designate separate channels and clean this one up. So I love you all, I appreciate you all. Please consider subscribing to both of my channels, and I hope you're looking forward to the premium content I have coming up. Kelly Concepts out. That'll be hard to get used to.
Michael, dance off! Go! Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Me? Okay.